Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Boy, am I excited about this. This is a package full of handmade molds from the Resin Queen on Etsy. I don't even know what's in here. It's going to be a big surprise to me because whatever I ordered, I've forgotten. So rather than go back and look at my order, I'm just going to open this up and we'll pretend I'm totally surprised by everything, because I probably will be. And some of it really is a mystery because she tends to put in things that she thinks the buyer will like, not necessarily just what the buyer ordered. It's a pretty cool deal, her mystery boxes. So let's get me a pair of scissors, and I'm very, very carefully going to open this up. It is held together with reams and reams, or yards and yards of packing tape. So I will link below not only to Anna's, the Resin Queen's Etsy shop, but I will also link to the ResinFanatics group. You should consider joining if you're not a member already. We do very fun things, product releases, gift swaps, all sorts of fun stuff. And of course, anything to do with resin and learning to use resin. And there's some pretty good coupon codes involved there too for members. All right, I think we're finally down to some molds, and I got a box of dried flowers to use. I don't have any. This is exciting. Okay, here we have a starfish. So this is a starfish incense holder. You fill it with resin, let that cure. The nub in the middle here makes a hole in the finished product, so when you have it right side up, you can put a stick of incense in it. Resin Queen shop. Silicone mold instructions. This is a very important thing to follow. Do not use a torch on your molds. Do not do that. It will melt them. They will stick to the resin. You will have ruined the mold and the resin piece you're working on. More than anything else, don't use a torch. Good to remind everybody of that. Okay, pink icing. Ooh, pink icing glitter. Pretty. Sealed for my protection. Ooh, look at that, boys and girls. Pretty. Pretty. Beautiful. Okay, let's refocus back on the table. And we also got Snickerdoodle butterscotch. That's gorgeous too. Okay. This is a beautiful faceted edge. So a stand to put a, I don't know, like a crystal ball on. That would be super cool. Or a figurine, anything you want to have stand out. That will make a gorgeous, gorgeous piece with the faceted edges. Oh, I love these molds. All right. That's package one. Let's see what we got in package two. Oh boy. Okay, I'm guessing moon. That is lovely. Oh, that's going to make a gorgeous crescent moon piece. Look how pretty that is. And another faceted edge coaster. I have one of these from her from a while ago, and I absolutely love it. I painted some blue chrome mica into that for the next time I pour one. Now I can make a set. Yay. So that's fantastic. I love her coaster molds. Okay. Whoop. All right. Let's see what we have here. Tassels for keychains, samples of mica and interference powders. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Whoa. Peacocks, or as I've been saying lately, peacockian colors. Very pretty. Okay. Whoop, whoop. I'm gonna put them back in their bag. And some keychain hardware and some opalescent glitter. That will be beautiful. Like I said, tassels, which I will put back in the bag to protect them from my cats. My cats are not allowed here in the craft room anyway, but on the off chance that they ever got in, I would not want them to destroy any of this stuff. Okay, so this is a crystal mold. You pour your resin in there and it comes out looking like a clump of quartz crystals or whatever color you color the resin. So that's going to be fun. I don't have any of these crystal molds yet, so I'm looking forward to making that. And here is a beautiful lotus flower mold. Absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to use any of these. Clearly, what's this one? A soap dish. Spiffy Doo. That'll be fun to make. I used to make soap. So, you know, I could have used this and the soaps at the same time. All right. Oh boy. Oh, now here's where I can use all my hardware that she sent. The tassels and the rings and whatnot. We have a beautiful snowflake ornament and some weed ornaments or keychain accessories, keychain decorations, whatever you want to do those. I could do a couple in the smaller one probably and make some great earrings, huh? Alrighty. Ooh, spider web. Can make some great earrings out of that too, frankly. All right. More crescent moon. So we can have an art piece and a tree ornament or a keychain. Very cool. I hope it's refocusing all the time I do that. And then we have very tiny little things. I love the coffin. Cats, not sure what that is, maybe a bunch of grapes. Crescent moon. So one thing you can do with these, you can do lots with them, but one thing you can do with them is glue them onto other things. For example, I have a coffin mold with a lid. It's a trinket box. It makes a trinket box. And then you could actually glue little coffins on top of it, or cats' faces, or even the spider web, honestly, and embellish things with it. And here we have a gorgeous bat mold. Look at that. Oh, that's exciting. And it has it has etchings in it. Stars and crescent moons. Oh, that'll be gorgeous. Cannot wait to make all of these. Okay. So I am not going to make anything in today's video because I have something else planned for resin today. But I want to get this out there. Let's see if we can get everything in frame. I want to get all of this out there for you guys to look at. And then I want you to tell me what project you want me to do first. And if you have any color suggestions you'd like to see, or if you want me to try a Kathy LaPierre very fancy flower, I'm not sure I'm up to that. I can try it, but it probably won't look anything like hers. That's where you use white pigment in a little bit of resin, you pipe it with a piping bag and hit it with a heat gun just right, and it gives you layers of petals like a flower. I will link to her channel below. You can go watch her do it, because that'll be what it's supposed to look like. And then, you know, if I try something, who knows what it'll turn out as. But if you'd like to see me use any of these, just name them in the comments below. And if I get a consensus, I'll go with that project next. And we'll just work our way through these, because I am so excited to try all of them. So check her out. Resin Queen Etsy shop, ResinFanatics Facebook group, fantastic molds. Can't wait to use them. Let me know what to do first. Thanks everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.